Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Salt Morningstar recipe, full guide. Start by gathering coarse sea salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, brown sugar, and a small bowl to blend ingredients. Measure 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar, then mix until uniform. Taste a pinch and adjust salt or sugar to balance savory and sweet notes before storing in an airtight jar. After measuring the ingredients, combine them in a small bowl and stir thoroughly to eliminate clumps and ensure even seasoning distribution. Use a clean spoon to taste a tiny pinch and tweak the salt, paprika, or sugar until the balance feels right for you. Write down the exact proportions on a recipe card so future batches match, and always use clean utensils to avoid contamination when testing flavors. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content for you. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. Check the description for the link and other deals. It pairs nicely with long cooking sessions or outdoor grilling as a small practical tip. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Transfer the finished salt blend into an airtight jar and label it with the date and measurements so you know exactly what you made. Keep the jar in a cool, dark place to preserve aroma and flavor for several weeks, and avoid adding wet utensils which can introduce moisture. This versatile mix works great as a finishing salt, a grill rub, or a seasoning for roasted vegetables, and will make meal prep quicker and tastier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.